Welcome to Practice Judaism. Today's topic is responding to a sneeze, specifically in shul. When somebody sneezes in shul or while we're learning, we do not respond with the customary bless you or zu gesund or gesundheit or whatever type of response you do typically for a sneeze. In shul, we do not do this. As well as while you're learning, if you're in the middle of studying and somebody near you sneezes, you do not respond with the traditional response, whichever one it is in your custom. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.